This,
Cool it, no. No. Behave.
this is how you discipline.
That's not appropriate behavior.
Yes, this is how you discipline your
Baby
parakeets.
never bothers you. Why do you want to pick him? Yeah, good job. Keep eating. She's Kool-Aid and he's Vanil.
That's
We
it.
got both of them when?
Last summer?
Last September, yeah. Almost it was the end of the summer.
Almost.
And
During this time,
why
isn't
did we
it?
name them as Kool-Aid
Oh,
and
wait.
Vanil? What does Kool-Aid mean?
Cooler means winter, and that kind of resembles winter because she has white and blue and black dark colors.
So in our Tamil language, Kool-Aid means winter.
Yes, and Vino means summer or spring, and he's green and yellow.
Yeah.
During this time, it's very great to socialize with your pets.
Yeah, definitely. This is a great decision we made, bringing them into our family.
Oh,
What's going on?
and this is how you discipline your pets.
Kool-Aid, no. No.
We're
Vanil,
actually
it's your turn, Vanil. You eat. Vanil, eat. You can see Kool-Aid is little dominant.
Yes.
And we are working on her behavior.
yes.
And Vanil is so calm and quiet.
He's shy, right? I see he gets very nervous
Yeah,
when
little
she
bit.
when she.
Yeah,
But
they both
usually,
love each other.
yeah,
and
they
love
do.
us too. Only thing is, it depends on their mood.
Yep. Some
when,
days.
Yeah, when they don't want to socialize with us, we have to give their space.
Yeah, but most of the time they're very good.
Yes. And they come out of their cage, they play with us, they eat from our hands.
Yes. That will be shown later.
Yes.
This is
We
a
didn't know when we brought them from Petco. One is a boy, one is a girl. We wanted to go either girls or boys, but they were so babies. And the employee who sold these to us, she couldn't figure out. But we loved them, so we just brought them. It's okay, we thought.
Yeah.
And when we took them to the vet for their regular visit, the vet told that one is Vanil is a boy and Kool-Aid is a girl.
Yes.
And we have to wait and see. In case if they lay eggs, we are planning to
We're
find
planning.
ways to handle it in a healthy way
Yes.
for them too.
It's really a true bond
Yeah.
between the owner, you, and your birds.
You too.
When
That's
I'm
my-
there.
That's my daughter. She's filming and she's
Hi.
Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid. That's not the right behavior to do, honey. You have it, honey. This is the Vanil. This is yours.
She likes to climb, doesn't she?
Vanil. Vanil, you can eat, honey. Come on. Hi, Vanil. Hi. I'm sorry. Sometimes Kool-Aid bothers you, right? But we do see that. We will train her to be more gentle. Right? Good job, Vanil. Yeah. We take care of it. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Can you focus, Vanil?
Yes. Let me move a
Hi,
little.
Vanil. Hi, Vanil. Eat your share. No rush. Yeah. You see how he's able to pick the seed from it and remove the skin
Mm-hmm.
separate.
Yes, they don't eat all of it, right? They eat only what's inside.
Yes. And we did read an article yesterday. We were discussing about it, that how this social distancing and lockdown kind of increased the pet adoption during this period,
Mm-hmm.
because that can help people to just stay emotionally healthy, and also that is a reason for them to take their dogs out for a walk or something, right?
Yes.
Yeah. According to me, it doesn't have to be just a dog. We can adopt any kind of these domestic pets, and we really feel good of
Yes.
spending time with them, training them, taking care of them. Are you full? Are you full? Are you full? Are you full? Hi. Hi.
So you're looking for signs for Quiller's pregnant behavior, aren't you?
Yeah, we were, but I don't think still she's ready for that.
But she is
We will
behaving.
keep work. We will keep learning about it, doing some more research,
Yeah.
and if it is necessary, we can talk to the veterinarian.
So what are you holding them with?
This one,
Mm-hmm.
this is the part of their cage, and they feel more comfortable
Yeah.
with this. So we don't want to touch them because they are not kind of comfortable with our touch.
That's a good
And,
way instead
yeah,
of grabbing
All
them.
we need is just to have them closer to us and talk to them and feed them. So this is helping us to do that.
That's
My
great.
daughter's idea. This is. That's you, right?
Yeah,
Good job.
thanks.
You really did a good job.
It's
She just takes this tray out from their cage roof, and then we put them back when we let them in. But they know once when we ask them to go inside their cage, they go inside, and even if the roof is out, the roof part, even if we don't put it back out,
Hi.
or even if we keep their cage door open, they don't misbehave, they don't come out or anything, they just stay in. They know their playtime every day, right?
That's great.
We almost do it at the same time in the afternoon after, especially my daughter is done with her schoolwork, right?
Yes,
So it's a nice relaxing.
that's great.
And after my son is done with his school.
Yes.
Sorry, Kulip. I tickled you. There you go, Bena. There you go. There you go, Bena.
Have you taught them any tricks? Or can I say what I taught them?
Please.
So I taught them.
I know that, but you can tell. Yeah.
Thanks. So I taught them
Yes.
to take another. I take another roof piece,
Yeah.
and and I hold both roof pieces up in the air, one with both of them on it and one empty. And if I hold it close to them, they jump on it,
Yeah.
and then we keep going up like that, like a ladder.
Yeah.
They learn to
And
do
good
it.
morning and good night kiss they give us.
Yeah, that's true.
That was taught by me. I will take the credit. Before we put the blanket on their cage, we remind them that it's night. It's time for them to go sleep, not to make any noise or anything, and they do follow. They do well with that.
That's
and before
great.
we cover, we show our finger to them, saying good night. We can film that some other time.
Yes. Oh, she looked straight at the camera for a sec.
Yeah.
She likes being a star.
Yes.
So we put blankets on because in winter especially, they might get too cold,
Yeah.
and that's not good. They do have these little kind of like tents you can hang in the cage.
Yes.
That keeps them warm, but if you don't want to do that, because sometimes they might not go in because it takes a while to adjust, so we just put a blanket over the cage and it keeps them warm.
Yes. And when we remove the blankets out in the morning and we say good morning, and then they give us kiss. It's so cute. Seems like they're very hungry.
They are. So.
And we have this as a treat for them, right?
Yes.
We don't hang this inside their cage. Instead, we save this for their playtime out, socializing time, and inside we just feed them a different food in their feeder, and they like that too.
Yeah, but this is their favorite, and we give it when they come out.
Yes.
And we give like different seeds when they're inside the cage.
Yeah.
Different things for doing different things. So I see there's like a purple kind of metal band around Cooler's leg. Can you explain what that is?
What?
The purple band around her leg.
Oh yeah, I have no idea. It came with them when we brought them from.
Yeah, I think
right?
I think that would be like a way to identify them if they ever got lost.
Cooler, I love you. I love you. So how does it help children? You are a child, right?
Yeah.
Having pet like bird or cool air. Did you see?
Yeah.
Cool air? No. Cool air. So then you won't get to eat. Okay?
You're very good at disciplining.
Yeah, you need to learn not to bother Mene. Very good, Mene. This for you. Mene. Come, Mene. You eat.
As a kid, it probably helps because I
They
would
have
be.
personalities like no. You see how? Oh my God, Vanil is also fighting.
Okay. Yeah, they're both finally he wants to
Vanil stands up for himself.
but that's not good for both of them.
No aggressive behavior. No. We want to be nice to each other. Right? Like how every human has a personality like that. It just kind of some bird personalities is there too.
Yeah.
But we train them,
Mhm.
like how we train human babies to be good citizens. Like that, we train them to be good to each other too, right? In wildlife, it is not possible. Maybe the superior wins over the
Mhm. Less superior.
yeah. But when we have them as pet, it is especially important. They don't hurt each other, right? Okay, I think it's time to go inside your cage. Is that okay? So you guys are done for today.
Yes.
All right. I
Thank
can leave
you.
them in just like this. Is that okay?
Okay, one sec. Thank you.
Yeah,
We'll be
please.
right back.
Okay, now my daughter is having them in the tray, and she's going to leave them down, and we can see how they have learned to go inside the cage by themselves. Because they know that it's playtime is over.
They know it's home.
Yeah, can you leave them down, honey?
Yes. Even if they leave them at a distance, they always go. See?
Yeah.
They might wait a few minutes just to clarify.
Yeah, so everything is safe.
They're very smart.
Yeah, hi. Hi, Mainil. Hi, Cooler. Yeah, Cooler will be the leader.
Yep, she always is.
Yeah, see, you can see. You can see how they know.
Now they're jumping. See, they're so excited.
So cute.
They always figure it out.
Yeah, they can. Yeah, when it chooses to go inside through the door and school it inside too.
Yep, they know.
They are good birds.